six-pack by the time I got to college.
Good joke.
But shaking it. I bet you... No, that's not a proper shake. I bet you... No, wait, stop. I bet you... What will I bet you?
What they can?
Kellie, what will I bet on? That I'll have a six-pack by the end of...
Right, I bet you my knob.
No, I can have it in time.
So? I bet you my biscuits.
No. I bet you...
They've got cream in them.
Right.
Biscuits.
Here's one, right. I bet you... If I don't have one, right, by the time I go to college, then I'll stop smoking.
Right. You with me for, cause
I want to
like.
smoke, I want to keep it.
Right, I bet you a tenner. I'll hear one before.
You already have one.
I know. So I win that bet. Already, easy tenner for me.
See if I never stopped doing my weights now.
You doing weights?
I would have amazing fish. I would have an amazing body. Absolutely.
I'll show me, Danny. Nah, I'm joking. I'll off your body.
No.
Huh?
There's nothing to it. Except for, yeah.
Robin. Kelly, you got anything to say about this?
And bone.
I know you're bone. I'll go bone too. I've got bone all the way from my body. There's only one part of my body that isn't bone. Which is my knob. 'Cause it's just muscle and blood. It's not a bone. Sorry. What were you laughing at? Tell me. Fuck you, right?
Just the other news.
I
was laughing at you just saying, my knob.
How is that funny?
My knob.
My knob. Oh, how is that funny?
Because it is.
Okay.
I'm going to start tomorrow.
Are you going to start tomorrow? Okay.